All right, today is Wednesday the 18th of March. We're going to look at a couple of exam questions, and some of these you will have done before. Write down the equation in the line that reflects shape A, here is shape A, onto B. So if I had to draw a line here, where would I draw it? What is the equation of the line?
Y equals 1.
So y equals 1. Now is y equals 1 a vertical line or a horizontal line?
What is it? Well, I mean,
What
it's a
is-
horizontal line, but the actual unit is vertically 1 up.
Right. So yeah, y equals 1 would be, can you see the cursor on this?
Yeah.
Okay. Y equals 1 would be this line. Yep.
Also, right then.
Well, no, because you imagine if I have say a mirror here, okay, shape A is going to be reflected down onto here. Okay, let me actually just draw it onto this so we can see. Come on, work.
Oh, wait.
Hold
It
up.
is Y1, isn't it?
Wait a second. And I want to do this, and I want to do this. Can you see the cursor now? You still can? Good. Let's use a different color. Okay, now y equals 1 would be this line. Okay? So imagine that that is a mirror, okay? And sorry, just one sec till I pause this. Pause. I don't know why it's not pausing. Alright, so y equals 1 is this line. So imagine that is a mirror, okay? So imagine we're looking down on top of this, okay? Where is A going to reflect if this is a mirror? Where's it going to be? Yeah, smack bang underneath it, okay? This point is going to reflect down to here, okay? It's going to go like that, and this is going to go along like here. And it's going 1, 2, 3 up. Oops, badly drawn. So it would, it's terribly drawn. It would reflect like that, okay? If that was reflecting in the line y equals 1, okay? But that's not what we want. We want it to reflect over onto B. Okay? So what do we think? Give me another idea. Give me another idea where what this line would be, where A is reflecting onto B.
4.
4 now, it has to be a line, so it has to be something equals.
Y equals 4.
Y equals 4, okay, so if I draw in y equals 4, okay, there's y equals 4. Okay.
Oh.
Where is this going to reflect now? This is going to reflect above, okay? So imagine this is a mirror, this is going to go up like this,
X equals 0.
and it's going to go like that, okay? Which again isn't quite right. So, give me another idea.
X equals 0.
X equals 0? So where is x equals 0? So x equals means it's going to be a vertical line. It's at x equals 0, which is going to be this line. Does that work? Okay. How far away is this point from the line, and how far away is this point from the line?
1 cube.
1. Okay. 1 cube. Okay. These are both 2 away from the line. So imagine if I put a mirror right here, this is going to reflect over onto there. Yeah? Okay. So our answer for this would be x equals x equals 0. Okay. Make sense? Yeah. Okay. So let's.
I was just asking you to write down like the whole equation that goes with the graph.
Yeah. No, just. So this one.
Y equals 1.
Can't see the line. Okay, so let's skip on to this. Okay, given the straight line L1 has this equation equals x. Show y as a subject by rearranging the equation for L1. How do we go about doing this?
Did this.
Yeah, we did.
Easy go.
What is the answer going to look like?
So
What's the answer going to look like?
X. Oh wait, no, it's gonna be Y.
Oh, the answer's going to be y equals good, Ian. Okay, so you have to take this and rearrange it so you get y equals for your answer, okay? Have a go at that now, please. And I'm going to put this here. I'll pause. Okay, so have a go. Pause the video. Right. Okay. Well, look, we didn't do it that long ago. Let's have a look. Okay, I want to rearrange this for y. Okay, what's my first step? What do we think? What do you think, Ian?
Multiply by 2.
Multiply by 2. Okay, that seems good because that gets rid of the 2 on the bottom. Now, when I do that, Ian.
I need to do on the top, right?
Yep. What am I left with on this side then?
2x.
2x. Okay. What am I?
That's what I forgot to. So I did it on the top right for the -1 instead of the left one.
Right. What am I left with on this side if I multiply by 2?
So you have 2x equals 2y minus 1.
Right. Good. I think last time as well you did that. You forgot to multiply by 2 on this side. Good. What do I do next, Ian?
And then you would take away 1. I mean, sorry, no, you'd add 1
Good. I'd add 1, and I do that to
to the
both sides. Good.
3x equals 2y.
Careful. What am I having this side?
2x plus 1.
Good. Equals.
3x.
Equals. What do I have on this side?
What? Wait a minute. That would be 3x, right?
We're here?
Yeah.
No, 2x plus 1 is just 2x plus 1. If it was 2x plus x, you would have 3x. Okay? Because remember, you can't add like 2x plus 1x is 3x, but 2x plus 1 is just 2x plus 1. You can't add those two things together. It's like adding apples and oranges, yeah?
Okay. So this would be equals 2y on that side.
Equals just 2y. Good. Then what do I do?
And then from there you would.
So remember, my aim is to get the y by itself.
So you take away the 2 from the x. The 2x, sorry? Or the 2y? I don't know.
I want to get the y by itself, so what do I need to get rid of?
Then you have to get rid of the 2.
Yeah, how do I get rid of that 2?
Minus 2.
Well, what's the 2 doing at the minute?
Oh, it's not. So divide by.
Right, it's multiplying at the minute, so to get rid of it, I divide. So on this side, what am I left with, Ian?
So that gets crossed out. The 2.
Well, let's just, I've got 2x plus 1, and then how do I show that I'm dividing it all by 2? Just,
This is all of the 2.
yep, all over 2, good. And on the right-hand side, I'm left with just,
With this y.
good. So I get y equals 2x plus 1 over 2. Yep. Liam?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Good. Right, for the second part. So this is one straight line. Imagine it's that one. And we've got another straight line that is sloping downwards. Actually, it's not sloping downwards at all. Let's imagine it's like this. And we're saying that it is y equals x plus 5 over 2. And we're told in the question that find the coordinates of the point of intersection of these two lines. Okay, so I want to find that point of intersection. Right, so these two lines are meeting at this point. I know that 2x plus 1 over 2 is equal to? What's it equal to? Yep, what's x plus 5 over 2 equal to?
Y.
So what are these two equations equal to?
Y equals
Y equals y, yep. But what's x plus 5 over 2 equal to?
y.
Yes, but if 2x plus 1 over 2 is equal to y, what's x plus 5 over 2 equal to?
2x plus 1 over 2.
Right, good, okay, so that means the two equations are equal to each other. Okay, and then we need to solve this for x. You got that, yep?
Yes.
Good.
With the x plus 5 equation, that one, you can cross out the 2 2's.
Right, good, because it's the same thing on the bottom. It's like multiplying both sides by 2, so I'm left with just, I'm going to use my black pen. X plus 5 equals 2x plus 1, good. Then
you subtract the 1x from the side, left side.
okay, take away x from both sides. So what am I left with on this side?
You're left with plus 5
And what am I left with on this side?
equals 4x plus 1.
Right. Then
Then after that, you subtract 1,
mm-hmm. And that leaves me with
4, x equals 4.
x equals 4. Right, am I finished?
No.
No, because I'm asked to find the
Send
coordinates.
Yes.
So how do I find the y coordinate?
The two y equations do the same thing you did with the x equations.
Do the same thing? It might be easier.
Oh, substitute x.
Yeah, just substitute this back into either this one or into
I did.
this one. Which one do you want to put it into?
I didn't do either of them.
Okay, well, which one do you want to pick?
The bottom one.
Bottom one, why?
Why not?
Okay,
It just seems easier.
it's slightly easier, yep. So I'm picking that one. I'm going to put x is equal to 4 into here. What's 4 plus 5? So I get 9 over 2, which is 4.5.
Oh,
Alright, so that's my coordinate of those points that meet.
I got 4, 9 for the coordinates.
Okay. So, did you forget to divide by 2? Alright, so there are questions in the book on this. Let's have a look now. Page 411. Do we have our books?
Yes.
Of course we don't.
I have my book.
Okay, now if you're at home, the book is on the team,
I got it.
so you can look it up and you can borrow this one. And in just 1 second, let me just show everybody at home what we're looking at. So this is what we're looking at. That's not the right book. I'll give you this one in a second. So we're looking at this exercise, practice 1. It's on page 411. Okay, so we've basically got our equations equal to each other. Okay, so I want us to have a look at each of these questions. Now be careful. What are we going to do in this instance? What's the first thing we're going to do?
You have to times the negative by, on the left side, you times the negative by everything in the bracket.
Good. And then do the same with over this side as well. So just be careful because it do get more difficult, okay? But I want us to have a go at all of these, okay? So that's page 411. For those of you at home, I want you to post evidence that you have completed this. I want you to post it on to the team so I can see that you are doing it. For those of you in class, you do not need to do that because I can see exactly what you're doing because you came to school. All right. Good job. Any questions, post them online and I will chat